Venturi meter. Venturi meter is a device which is used to find the discharge of flow of water. Discharge is basically the volume of water flowing through the pipe for 1 second. That is, how fast the water can be flown from one point to another. Basically, discharge is volume upon time. So, to measure the discharge, we need a special device which is to be fit in between the flow of pipe. So, this is how Venturi meter look like. So, it has a shape of reduction in area. This reduction in area is used to find the discharge of water. So to understand this, we need to understand the principle of Bernoulli theorem. Bernoulli principle is based upon the law of conservation of energy. That is, energy is conserved and we can convert energy from one form to another. If some liquid is flowing, that is, it has some energy and that won't change. That is, at one pipe of the pipe, the flow of pressure energy, kinetic energy and potential energy is same at another point of the pipe. So on this principle, we will fit a device called Venturi meter when there is flow in water. If we can find how much amount of pressure is decreased, we can find the velocity of water and from that we can find the discharge of water. In this experiment, we will find out the coefficient of discharge, that is CD, which has the formula CD is equal to actual discharge upon theoretical discharge.
Components of Venturi meter. A. Cylindrical entrance section. This is the section having the size of a pipe to which it is attached. The Venturi meter should be preceded by a straight pipe of not less than 5 to 10 times the pipe diameter and freeform fittings. Misalignment and other sorts of large scale turbulence. B. Converging conical section. The converging takes place at an angle of 21 plus minus 2. The velocity of fluid increases as it passes through the converging section and correspondingly the static pressure falls. Throat. This is cylindrical section of minimum area. The velocity is maximum and the pressure is minimum. The throat diameter is usually between 1 by 2 to 1 by 4 of the inlet diameter. Length of the throat equals diameter. Diverging section. This is the section in which there is a chance of stream area back to the entrance area. The recovery of kinetic energy by its conversion to pressure is nearly complete and so the overall pressure loss is small. To accomplish a maximum recovery of kinetic energy, the diffuser section is made with an included angle of 5 to 7 degrees. This angle has to be kept less so that the flowing fluid has least tendency to separate out from the boundary of the section. Types of Venturi tubes. A standard long form or classic Venturi tube, a modified short form where the outlet cone is shortened, an eccentric form to handle mixed phases or to minimize buildup of heavy materials, a rectangular form used in ductwork.
Comparison between Venturi meter and orifice meter. Venturi meter is expensive and takes time to install, but orifice plates are easy to make and are very cheap in comparison. The head loss in orifice meter is many times greater than with Venturi meters. Orifice plates are more flexible, as installing a new orifice plate to a wider or narrower opening is easier and cheaper than arranging Venturi plates. The ratio of reading Venturi meter to orifice plate is 1:2.58. Orifice plates can be made of a material different than the system of piping, but the material of Venturi tube must be same as that of the piping. Orifice plates are plated between flanges requiring gaskets may leak, but Venturi tubes are welded in the system and there is no leakage at all. This is the reason why the permanent pressure drop is higher in the orifice meter than that of the Venturi meter, as shown in the graph. The apparatus consists of a pipeline containing a venturi meter, the pressure tapings from the venturi meter to differential manometer to measure pressure difference. By operating the valves provided at the downstream, the flow can be regulated. Present setup is self-contained water recirculating unit, providing with a sump tank and a centrifugal pump. Flow control valve and bypassing valve are fitted in water line to conduct the experiment on different flow rates. Flow rate of water is measurable with the help of measuring tank and stopwatch.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to tell you how we are going to perform this experiment. Firstly, we need to set the manometer pressure to the atmospheric pressure by opening the upper valve. Then now start the supplied water controlled by the stop valve. Then one of the valves of any one of the pipe open and close. All others of three take the discharge reading for the particular flow. Then take the reading for the pressure head on from the U-tube manometer for corresponding reading of discharge. Now take 3 readings for this pipe and calculate the CD for that instrument using formula. Now close the valve and open valve of the other diameter pipe and take 3 readings of this. Then similarly take the reading for all other diameter pipes and calculate CD for each.
The coefficient of discharge in trial 1 is 0.88 and coefficient of discharge in trial 2 is 0.89 and coefficient of discharge in trial 3 is 0.93 and in trial 4 it is 0.84. After taking the average of all 4 values, the final result we obtain, that is coefficient of discharge of given venturi meter, is 0.885.
For precautions, first, keep the other valve closed while taking the reading through one pipe. Second, the initial error in the manometer should be subtracted from the final reading. Third, the parallax error should be avoided. Fourth, maintain a constant discharge for each reading. Fifth, the parallax error should be avoided while taking the reading from the manometer.